Hi, I'm John, and this is another soft cell electrical how-to video. It's for informational purposes only. Please only attempt this if you are a licensed or qualified electrician. This is very dangerous, and today we're going to be swapping out an above ground heating element. So let's get started. First, we want to remove the access panel. Start by opening the access panel. Your first clue that your heater may be bad when you see just out and out rust like that. And then you have, of course, arcing here. And there's even rust coming out from the pressure sensor. This is a pressure sensor. And this is your whole heating unit. We're going to be replacing it with a fresh, brand new Gecko brand heater. Let's get started. First, I'm going to disconnect a couple of these service modules for better access. And also, I'm going to remove the ground bar here. Now, the next part is we want to use the super channel locks. Okay, now we're disconnecting the ground wire. You can use a silicone sealant. I use Deox for two reasons. Number one, it lasts forever, but also it's thicker than the silicone sealant that you buy at pool supply stores. It helps hold this ring in, so when you put everything back together, it doesn't accidentally pop out on you. Now this is the heat sensor here strip, and it's always a good idea to just wipe it off a little bit to make sure it makes good contact with your pipe, because that's what's going to tell your heater when to go on and off. This is what tells the heater if water is going through it. If this does not activate, the heater should not activate. Now, when threading Teflon tape, you want to make sure you start out with the tape into the threads. This is very important, the very start. You just take your time. And you notice I'm going clockwise because that's the direction we're going to be screwing the sensor in. That's your sensor there. It's very important that you don't cross thread. You'll know immediately if you do, because it will become difficult to put in. You want to thread both sides a little bit. Okay, so that's threaded. First, we want to make sure that the conductors, these are the conductors, will fit easily over the new electrodes, which they do. These old conductors need to be cleaned. Otherwise, you're going to get arcing. And what do we have for that? We have a little file. And you want to deox these, because the real purpose of deox and what it's made for is to ensure good conductivity. Okay, so I've connected the two 120 legs, which combines to 240, And I'll give you a little hint here. Do not over tighten these, because if you do, these are epoxy. If you crack that epoxy bond, you've ruined your unit, and you don't want to do that. Now we're going to reinstall the ground bar. I have to remind any electricians doing this, do not over tighten these fittings. That's a complete replacement of the heater unit, and there seems to be no leaks, so I'm going to go ahead and button this up. And there you have it, a complete heater install with everything up and running, the covers on. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and keep tuned for more videos in the future. Thanks. Have a great day.